Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create zoom effects in CapCut by using keyframes. So in here, what you need to do is add the photos or video that you want, then add two keyframes at the start and also the end of each photos. So at the second one, zoom in the photo like this, and on the next photos you need to zoom out like this, then zoom it again. Okay, so just use this keyframe tricks. Okay, the last one, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.